Hey guys, what's going on? Outside the box here, and today we got a new package from Amazon. It's an airsoft gun and I hope you like it. We get this one here, it's a Beretta M9 for 20 bucks, and here are the product details. Okay, it looked very good and very big. I didn't expect it to be so big, but I was very excited and I'm looking forward to shoot with this. Wow, it looked very real and expensive. But at first, let's try it out. Okay, it's very heavy and I think that's good because I can feel the metal. First it was difficult to load it, but then I got it. Oh, there's a fuse too. And then we could... The shot was not too loud and you can hear it was 0.5 joule. Here we got manual, don't need it, but we got something. Oh, okay. Here are the BBs. I decided to put the BBs back and use my own white BBs. This was the biggest mistake of my whole life. I thought the white BBs wouldn't be bigger than the yellow, but I think they was, cause, oh god, 2 BBs got stuck. I had to take a drill and grind away the 2 BBs with a special attachment. This took 2 days and I was constantly afraid the airsoft would be broken. First, the airsoft shot a few times, but then suddenly all the bullets got stuck. In the end, I repaired it, but I learned one lesson. Never use your own BBs for a new airsoft if you're not sure if they will fit. I think it was partly because, even though I was using the airsoft for the very first time, I filled up the magazine completely. I put in every single one of the 15 BBs. Wait, what? 15? Yes, I put 15 in because I didn't read the full description. The item description says 15 rounds and the text only says 12 rounds. This here. Okay. So, I try to shoot it. Yeah, so here you can see the ball I have to destroy. Yeah. Oh god. Yeah, you can see the metal inside. Yeah. There was 2 bones in, but one got out completely fine. Yeah, we're gonna do a shooting test soon, but yeah, you can see how it shoots. Yeah, what's the ball? Yeah, but you see it worked. So yeah, it's fine. I like it. It's my baby. My baby. I like it. Okay, I need psychological help. Okay, that was it with this video, but don't worry, there will be a shooting test soon, but later, cause I'm in quarantine with Corona at this moment, thanks to Corona. If you like the video, then like and subscribe. Thanks, bye!